We'll guide you through how to organize your Google Docs files efficiently, so you can find what you need without any hassle. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're on the Drive homepage, you'll see all your files and folders. To start organizing, you need to create folders. Click on the New button on the top left corner, then select Folder. Give your folder a descriptive name that makes sense for the documents you plan to store there. For example, if you're organizing work documents, you could name the folder Work Projects. After creating your folders, you can easily drag and drop your Google Docs into the appropriate folders. Simply click and hold the document, then drag it to the folder on the left sidebar. This helps keep everything tidy and easy to access. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate specific files by typing in keywords or file names. For even more organization, consider color coding your folders. Right-click on a folder, select Change Color, and pick a color that represents the category of documents inside. This visual cue can make it easier to identify folders at a glance. Additionally, you can star important documents or folders by right-clicking on them and selecting Add to Starred. This adds them to a special starred section on the left sidebar, making them easy to find for quick access. Remember to regularly clean up your drive by removing any files you no longer need. You can do this by right-clicking any file or folder and selecting Remove. This will move the item to the trash, where it will stay for 30 days before being permanently deleted. Keeping your Google Docs organized not only saves you time, but also reduces stress when searching for specific files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.